Hello, beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with a K-Addy haul. So I have a big K-Addy haul to unbox, and I thought I'd share it with everybody. This is the first box of two. The other one is huge, but let me do this one first. So this has everything. Well, this one has Season's Greetings in it. My other one has everything from Season's Greetings to albums to merch and all kinds of stuff. So, and we'll have full unboxings coming shortly in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so this is my first one. This should be two Seasons Greetings. And as always, I'm using Deliver Korea. And I bought these from the DK shop, the Deliver Korea shop. So they came with, I believe, some pre-order benefits. The first one I got was Red Velvet. They definitely package things really well. So here is the Red Velvet and the Pobs. So I'll be opening everything on separate unboxing videos. Right now I'm just getting them out of the wrapping so we can see what I got. They wrap everything very well. And I got NCT Dreams. So these were my two SM choices this year. And then my other one will be Shiny. So I was able to get, these two are my top SM group for the gentlemen and for the ladies. And then I'm going to get Shiny from SM as well when that comes out, which is coming out a little bit later, in a couple of weeks. So look forward to that. So anyway, both of these unboxings will be taking place in the next couple of weeks. So let's look at the other one. Okay, so this is my giant second box from my K-Addy. And this is, both of these boxes are about 3 to 4 months of stuff. So in this one I should have the rest of the Season's Greetings I purchased. And my TVXQ albums, my NC21 winter single albums. What else is in here? Yeesung, Super Junior should be in here. So lots. I did a really good job of packaging, of course. And I'm knocking on my lights out of the way. And my box was packaged by Min. Thank you, Min. There's their details if you'd like. I love using their service. Okay, it looks like we got Yeesung's albums. I ordered them from K-Pop Town, I believe. should be a tape too. I'm sure that was wrapped separately. So I have all versions of his album. Amazon sent me some, probably about the snow. We're supposed to have snow tomorrow. I don't see where the cassette would be. So I guess we'll dig deeper and see what happens. Okay, this one should be my Ateez Season's Greetings. I also got from DK Shop, and that came with the POB from, I think, not the one from With You, but the 4-cut photos from 4-cut photos from the other POBs. Season's Greeting Time is one of my favorite times. Sorry, that was extra loud. Okay, so anyway, and then I think I got a little that's really cute thing from that DK Shop. Okay, now I believe this is, now there's the tape. This should be Yeesung's tape, and also it looks like my polka order is in here. So I'll be unboxing all of the, oop, the box broke. Oh well, that's okay, as long as the cards are fine. So yeah, Yeesung's tape version. And my polka order, which pretty much is all key for his good and great album. So I got those in. And then I got my BTS, which will be the first one up in an unboxing. Mission to Dance from Weavers. That'll be the first one up, most likely, because that one's been a while. Looks like I got TVXQ albums. So there's the 4 versions of that. Oops, that's the phone. Okay, and then this is the 17 calendar, wall calendar. It goes with their Season's Greetings. I got the combo. So there should be down, yep, right here. And this is their Season's Greetings, which I'm anxious to open. I've been wanting to open this one now for a while. And I got the Weaver Shop POB for this, which is these photos and the door knocker thing. So look forward to that. And like I said, that's the and I got, I believe this is my NC 127. Yep. So I got every version of their album, their single, and then of course Mark's, because I am a Mark stan. And I got this from, I forget, K-Pop Town, I think. And the last but certainly not least is the Big Mama. This is, I was able to snag this. This is TVXQ's giant special edition of their 2020 and 2 album. Their 20th anniversary edition, which is a big wooden box. Lots of stuff, you can hear it. So we'll be opening that on the TVXQ album unboxing. Okay, so that is everything in this K-Addy haul. I got a lot of stuff to unbox, so please subscribe if you're interested in any of these unboxings. They will be up in the next couple of weeks, probably all the way up through February. The next big thing, I think, is Itsy, as well as some Target releases that are coming up in the next couple weeks. So anyway, hit that subscribe button, comment down below your favorite item that you see here, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care of each other. Bye.